In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack lists to enhance your productivity and communication on this versatile platform. If you're familiar with Slack, you already know it's a great tool for team collaboration. Adding lists to your workflow can take that productivity to a whole new level by helping you stay organized and on track with tasks and shared projects. So let's dive in and see how we can set this up. First, you'll want to go to the Slack website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Slack, or simply search for it in your search engine, whatever works best for you. Once you've arrived at Slack's homepage, look for AI work management and productivity tools. It's a neat section that introduces you to the features that Slack offers to make your team work smoother and more efficient. Next, if you haven't already signed into your account, you'll need to do so. Let's keep things simple. Click on Sign in with Google. This option allows you to access your Slack account quickly using your Google credentials. If everything goes smoothly, you'll find yourself on your Slack dashboard, the central hub for all your Slack activities. From here, to begin using lists, navigate to your desired channel or workspace. The channels are typically on the left sidebar. Once you've selected a channel, look for a plus icon. This symbol usually indicates that you can add something new or additional features within the channel you're working in. When you click on this plus icon, a variety of options will appear. Among them, select List. This feature lets you create and manage lists directly within your Slack channel, which can include anything from a simple to-do list to more complex project tracking. Clicking List gives you a more interactive tool to organize tasks. Now let's move ahead and click on Create New List. This is where the magic happens. You'll have the chance to name your list and begin adding items. This can be a fun task because you're essentially customizing your workspace to exactly what you need, making sure it aligns perfectly with your team's goals. Feel free to add as many items to your list as necessary. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and even categorize items if that's helpful for you. Slack lists are incredibly flexible, so take some time to explore and experiment with the different settings and options available. And that's it, you've successfully set up and started using Slack lists within your chosen channel. This feature will keep both your personal and team tasks organized and accessible, letting you focus more on completing tasks rather than tracking them. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now go ahead and give Slack lists a try in your own workspace and experience the boost in productivity firsthand.